Hello, my dear students. I'm going to start with the second chapter in electrochemistry 2, fifth sem, physical chemistry, paper 6. That is a continuation of this session number 11. It belongs to Bangalore North University. Today's topic is Western cadmium cell and calculation of EMF cell and advantages of a Western cadmium cell. After the end of this session, students should know how to prepare Western cadmium cell and what is meant by electromotive force and advantages of Western cadmium cell. Then why you are using Western cadmium cell as a standard cell. In the Western cadmium cell, you have to mention positive side and negative side. That is positive electrode and negative electrode. So before going to this topic, electrode reaction. What do you mean by electrode reaction? And used in this Western cadmium cell, what is the electrolyte solution? Then how Western cadmium cell is a standard cell. Western cadmium cell. It is the most commonly used standard cell for the standard. It is the most commonly used standard cell for the measurement of an EMF. It consists of a H-shaped glass vessel with the platinum wire sealed at the bottom to bring about the electrical contact. The negative electrode is a CdHg amalgam, cadmium mercury amalgam with 12 to 14% of cadmium, while positive electrode is covered with a layer of paste of mercurous sulfate. Some crystals of cadmium sulfate is placed over both the electrodes, and the entire cell is filled with a saturated solution of cadmium sulfate, which acts as a electrolyte. The cell gives a constant EMF of 1.0183 volts at 298 Kelvin and has low temperature coefficient of 4 into 10 to the power of minus 5 volt per Kelvin. Western cadmium cell is a H-shaped glass vessel. At the bottom, there are two electrodes. One is positive electrode, that is called anode, and negative electrode is called cathode. So at the bottom, there is a Hg left side, cadmium, mercury, 12.5% of cadmium. At the bottom of the right side, there is a mercury, and above this a paste of mercurous chloride, and both the limb you have to place cadmium sulfate crystals and then a saturated solution of cadmium sulfate solution, and this is cork and sealed. So read label diagram of Western cadmium cell and label the parts and represent which is negative electrode and which is a positive electrode. Usually this question will very important. Draw a neat label diagram of Western cadmium cell. Mention the positive electrode and negative electrode and label the parts. The cell is represented as platinum. It touches with the mercury cadmium amalgam, and above this there is a single line. Above this cadmium sulfate crystals. In the right hand side, platinum electrode is touches with mercury and with a paste of mercurous sulfate, and above this cadmium sulfate saturated solution. This is the cell represent both the electrodes is separated by salt bridge, that is two double lines, left hand side and right hand side. So the cell reaction is cadmium goes into the solution, it forming a CD2 plus and two electrons are liberated. Mercury will take up the two electrons, it forming a liquid mercury. So overall reaction is Cd plus 2Hg plus it gives a Cd2 plus 2Hg. This is the cell reaction, total cell reaction and cell representation. Finally, the advantages of Western cadmium cell. Western cadmium cell is a standard cell. What are the requirements for to decide a Western cadmium cell is a standard cell? There are 4 points. One is it has a definite EMF value 1.0183 volts at 20 degrees centigrade. So that means EMF of the Western cadmium cell is it is constant. That value is 1.0183 volts. Number 2, it has a least temperature coefficient. That is EMF varies slightly 0.0000406. That is slightly variation, it can be neglected. Degree Celsius rise in temperature. Number 3, the EMF remains constant for many years. That means standard value for 1.0183, no changes even for many years, and it can easily set up. Western cadmium cell can be very easy. So for this session, the summary of this session is how to construct, how to draw a neat label diagram of a Western cadmium cell and working of a Western cadmium cell. Write the positive electrode and negative electrode. So after that, so what is the use or what is the requirements for the Western cadmium cell acts as a standard cell. So from this session, some questions will appear. In that, first question is very simple questions. Western cadmium cell is consists of dash shaped glass vessel. A is U-shaped glass vessel, B is H-shaped glass vessel, C is H-shaped glass vessel, D is none of the above. So an explanation of this Western cadmium construction and working and label. It is very easy question. It is C is the answer, H-shaped glass vessel. Next. Question number 2. The most commonly used standard cell for the measurement of EMF is A is fuel cell, B is Daniell cell, C is Western cadmium cell, D is none of the above. In this session, just now explained, most commonly used standard cell is a Western cadmium cell. That is, C is the answer for this question. That is Western cadmium cell. Number 3. Which electrolyte is used in the preparation of Western cadmium cell? There are 4 answers. One is zinc sulfate, B is copper sulfate, C is cadmium sulfate, D is barium sulfate. So in explaining the construction of Western cadmium cell, both the limbs it is filled with a saturated solution. The concentration saturated solution of the electrolyte is filled. That electrolyte is C. C is the answer. That is cadmium sulfate. Which electrolyte is used in the preparation of Western cadmium cell? The answer is cadmium sulfate. The EMF of the number 4. The EMF of the experimental cell can be determined by. So that is the electromotive force of an experimental cell. That is the unknown cell can be determined by. Number 1, a potentiometer, polarimeter, ammeter, all the above. So EMF of the cell can be determined using a potentiometer. A is the answer. Last question. Western cadmium cell has a constant reproducible EMF. Its value is A is 0.34, B is 0.76, C is 1.0183, D is 1.1 volts. Answer for this question: Western cadmium cell is a standard cell. Its value is 1.0183 volts. That is C is the answer. So for this session, the books, some references books as given below. This is the end of the session, Electrochemistry 2, session number 11. Thank you.